Welcome to European Market Recap. Heading through into North American trading hours, equity markets in Europe trading with some pretty firm gains, being led by the periphery as the Italian FTSE Mib really trots the way higher, up over 1%, with the Italian-German 10-year government bond yield spread quite a lot tighter today by over 10 basis points at some point during the European morning. Earnings releases out of Europe have been very, very positive, with the likes of HSBC, SocGen and Commerzbank, so really across the continent, registering some pretty good interim trading statements, so their shares seen up very sharply, particularly in SocGen shares, which are up as much as 4% this morning, so really supporting sentiment towards Eurozone equity markets this morning. So in tandem with that, Bund futures trading with heavy losses of over 60 ticks, with yields rising across the curve over in Germany. Elsewhere, in terms of news flow, though, this morning we've seen the German factory orders maintaining the highest rate of growth over the month of March since October last year, coming in at 2.2%, which allowed the euro-dollar currency pair to reclaim 131 just ahead of New York trading hours. But elsewhere, looking ahead in today's session, relatively light in the way of Tier 1 US data out of the Eurozone and the US. We have the IBD tip, economic optimism, and the job openings out of the US. But the main focus will be on more ECB speakers, with Asmussen and Costa due to follow Draghi yesterday, who did reiterate that the ECB will continue to look at European data to judge whether they could cut rates even further. So of course we'll bring you any of those pertinent comments as soon as they hit the wires, as well as any other relevant commentary to your trading. But in the meantime, that's all from me. Make sure you have a great rest of the day.